Many custom furniture makers and cabinet makers use only a well-tuned table saw for all their precise cuts. Their secret for making perfect cross cuts and miter angle cuts is to use a table saw sled even on wide boards. A sled is a movable contraption that slides in the table saw's factory machined miter gouge slots. The workpiece then rests against a wooden fence at the front of the sled, a setup that keeps the work from slipping and ensures a clean, perfectly square cut every time. Read on and you will see how to use it for specialty cuts too. Although the miter gouge that comes with your saw can be used for cross-cutting, it's less safe and accurate than a well-made sled. You can buy an expensive factory-built sled too, but it won't perform any better than your homemade unit. You can build this sled in just over a couple of hours. You will need 3 feet of melamine plastic-coated particle board, closed shelving material, 5 straight feet of 2 with 6 lumber, a handful of hardware, and 4 feet of oak lattice. See shopping list in the additional information section below. This sled is designed for either a 10-inch cabinet saw or a contractor saw, not the portable bench-top saws. These saws feature larger tables which can handle a sled this size. This sled will handle everything from the most delicate cuts to stock up to 19 in wide. If you own a bench-top table saw, consider building a smaller sled that will work for small projects such as picture frames or the occasional shadow box. A table saw sled or cross-cut sled makes cutting wood against the grain safer and much easier. There are lots of technical ways to approach making a table saw sled, but sometimes you just need a simple and elegant solution to a problem. This is possibly the easiest cross-cutting sled you can make, and it still achieves accurate cuts. The calipers are essential to get an accurate measurement of your table saw miter track. You will also need a solid tree square to align the sled fence to the blade, which is what will determine if your cuts are square or not. Woodworking often involves making jigs that increases accuracy, safety, and speed of using power tools. A table saw sled is one of those essential jigs for a woodworking workshop. The jig is simple to make and provides several benefits to your woodworking experience. Most table saws come with a miter gouge. It keeps your workpiece aligned while you cut, but it also provides the support needed to cross-cut wood safely. A table saw sled provides extra support with a longer backstop that is also taller. The sled supports the workpiece and the excess material after passing the blade, helping prevent debris from being kicked back towards you. It also supports larger pieces better than a miter gouge can. A table saw sled keeps your fingers away from the saw blade. This is important when you are cross-cutting smaller pieces of stock. Finally, a table saw sled reduces slipping from finger pressure or resistance from the tabletop. Thanks for watching. Until next time.